So in this video, we will understand the basic concepts of AC armature winding. So we will try to understand the different terminologies associated with the armature windings. So first one, as the name itself, it is armature winding. So the reason why we call it as armature winding, because armature winding is one winding where actual energy conversion takes place. So if you go for alternators, these armature windings energy conversion takes place in the armature winding. So if you go for alternators, so since we are discussing this for alternators, now these armature windings, they are placed on the stator part. They are placed on the stator part. Hence, the alternators have stationary armature windings. Now, when we have the term winding, so there are different terminologies which are associated with winding. So, first one is turns. So, nothing but turns are two conductors placed in this particular fashion. We call it as a turn. So this is one turn. So one turn consists of two conductors. It consists of two conductors. So this is side 1 and this is side 2. Similarly, the next terminology associated will be coil. So coils are nothing but they are collection of turns. Collection of turns. So if you have group of turns like this, so these are your turns. So this is group of turns. So it will have a starting point and a finishing point. So group of turns, we call it as a coil, whereas windings are the collection of, or you can say group of coils. So if there are two or three coils which are connected in two or more than two coils, if connected in series or parallel fashion, we call it as windings. So this is the difference between a turn, coil and windings. Now coming to alternators. So alternator consists of, three-phase windings. It consists of three-phase windings. So here we have R phase, Y phase and B phase winding. So here it is not one single coil, but it has n number of coils which are connected in series. N number of coils are connected in series. And so this forms an entire winding. So this entire structure from here, this is winding. So this is associated with R phase, so we call it as R phase winding. Similarly, we have Y phase winding and B phase winding. So all the three-phase windings are connected in star fashion. So in case of alternator, the three-phase windings are connected in star fashion. So these are short circuited at one end, which is we call it as neutral point or ground point. The other end of the windings will normally open circuited, through which we connect to this terminals we connect an external load. So when we connect an external load, the current will flow through the windings. So this is the basic of description about the AC armature windings. Now further, the AC armature windings can be connected in a concentrated type, it could be distributed type, or also it could be short pitch or full pitch. So this information we will understand in the next lecture.